The crafting nook, the crafting nook, the crafting nook, the crafting nook, the crafting nook.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Oh, you did great. Hello to all my crafting creators. Welcome back. I am Felicia with the Crafting Nook. First of all, I want to say thank you for everybody's generosity towards the live auction last night, okay? I'm so thankful for everybody. I'm thankful for my members, for the subscribers, for the non-subscribers. I'm just very glad for everyone's support. I was very nervous. Yeah, honey, I was really nervous, and I did not know what to do, you know? And I didn't think that my work was, good enough for, people to buy just yet. And I've got to say that, I guess I'm my worst critic, but at the same time, I'm also, I also take my work seriously. I laugh and play and cut up and all of that kind of stuff all the time. That's just me. That's just me. I cut up. But I don't think I'm going to do a top coat on this yet. Okay. It changed a lot. It changed a lot, and I like it. I really do like it. So, y'all ready to demold? I mean, I like them, okay? I do like them, but it changed. So, resin has a mind of its own, and Spring does, have their own effects with everything. So, I don't know whether I'm gonna like keep these for my decoration or what I'm gonna do, but I'm so excited to, see what it looks like and hold it in my hand. I think I'm gonna do a trim, and like I said, a top coat on them. But I like them, y'all. I do. I like them. I think I'm gonna do some more of these in other colors and stuff like that. But for right now, y'all been waiting on this video. Y'all been waiting, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and start to demold them. Look at there. Look how easy that comes off. It's no fight. It's no nothing. It's just nice. It comes out nice. That's not bad. We knew it wasn't anything on the back, but y'all look at these details. Look at that. Isn't that nice? But I had clear, so yeah, clear disappeared, but the coaster itself is actually nice. I like how I did the spin, so yeah. I'm gonna say it's okay. I'm gonna say it's okay. I do need to do that top coat, because of this edge. I don't want the edge to be like that. You don't want your edge to stick up like that. You want it more domed, but needless to say, it did turn out nice. I want to do it again. I want to do it again. Okay, I'm gonna just sit that there for a moment. Let's move on to this little pic. I can never get over how easy it is to get these coasters from out of this mold. Like, man, I can't believe it. It moved a little too. Yeah, definitely has to have a top coat to get the smoothness there. but I'm not really worried about it. You know, I could put the latex on the back and just do the top coat just like I did with the remember the other coasters with the abalone veneer in there? Yeah, I could do that. Yes, and all of these colors, okay, these colors are made by Mayspring. The turquoise blue, the white pearl, okay, and the silver Druzy. That's this darker gray color, the silver Druzy. Like, where's my clear? Oh, I got a little bit of overflow right there. I don't know whether I can get it, because it is really, oh, I don't want to tear my nail up. I'll get it though. I just started growing my nails back, and, oh, honey, I miss those things. So go in like that. Can you see? Got it. Got it off. There's another one right here. This one was the one that, you know, kind of overflowed. Okay, but it's still nice. It's still okay. You know, I'm not gonna complain about them. Once I do that top coat and make it really a really nice smooth surface, I think they will work. They look kind of Christmassy, don't they? Yeah, I think so. I think they look Christmassy. Besides, it's not centered, you know, they moved and stuff. Yeah. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. You know, do that top coat. I think it'll be okay. And I did this middle piece as well, but I think what I want to do, like maybe on another time, I want to have these made, okay, and then pour my resin around them, and so that I could, you know, make something happen, do something different, come up with another creativity with this molds and shape mold. Because, honey, I love this mold. I love this mold. I love it. I love it. Be careful, don't to get no dents and things in there. You have to be careful with that. But yeah, I think what I'll do is have it centered. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah, I think that it will be okay when I do it, because it'll be level. Yeah, it'll be level. I need to do just a little bit less, just a little bit. Let me pop this in here for a second. I just want to see something real quick, because it seems like I did kind of overflow it. Can I get it back in there? Oh, no. Yeah, no, I can't. But I do need to just make sure it's like totally flat, so when I pop it in here, it don't have no lump at the top. All right, I love that. So what I'm gonna do now, and like I said, I know I've got to do a top coat, but while I have you, all right, while I have you, we're going to do the edges. Let me see, can you see me? Yep, you can see me right here. Gonna make sure. Yep, you can see that. So what I do, just take my little pen and go just barely around that edge. And like I said, I know I'm gonna do a top coat, and I don't mind the trimming on the edge being inside of the top coat, because it really can make it last longer, and you won't get those different little scrapes or bumps when it tends to wear off. So yeah, I think that will be in the best interest for what I'm trying to achieve. Okay. And yeah, I'm kind of slow with doing this, the trim. Yeah, I'm slow, but you know, sometimes it's better to be slow so that you can value what you do a little more, that you could, you know, actually make the piece much more than what it appears to be. I hope I'm still in frame. If I'm not, oh my goodness. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check again. Give me 1 second. Yeah, honey, you still in frame, honey. Yes. So, oh gosh, you know what? I didn't even say or ask, you know, how was y'all doing? Are y'all doing okay? I'm gonna try to post something on the community tab a little bit more, you know, like daily, so that, you know, at least we will still be engaged with each other. I just think that it makes it a little bit better. So I'm not going to keep you on this part, but that's what it looks like. It added, you know, it added a little more. It's beautiful, I think. I think I like it. Yeah, I think I like it, especially once I get that top coat up there. Then I think I will really like it, like really, really like it. So I want y'all to, I'm going to trim this just because, oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Just gonna sit that there. You see? Yep. So all I want to say is, y'all, please be positive. Know that you can do anything, okay? Know that you can do it. Know that you have that power. You know, let's spread love. Let's spread, you know, be kind. I really want everybody to be kind to one another because it's very important to me. You know, I might be a little nobody, but let's just be kind. Let's be nice. Let's get along. Let's support each other. Let's stay positive. No, you know, like, it don't matter what it is that you're doing. No, just know that you can do it. Okay? Know that you can do it. Anytime. It don't matter. You can do it. I believe in you. And that's straight from my heart. Okay? So this did add some as well. You know, it's silver on top of silver, but it still looks nice. Okay, it looks nice. I like it. Got everything on me. I like it. I do. So, yeah. See, if that was right there like that, that would be cute. But it need to be on the inside so that you can still sit your cup or mug or whatever it is that you're using, that you can sit that up there. Okay. So, like I said, I'm not going to hold you any longer. Just wanted you to see the outcome. Once I get these top coated, I'll just show it in another video or one of the lives, okay? Because I'm not going to waste your time just showing you the top coat, okay? I've done that before on a video, and I don't think I need to show you unless it's something. Well, I'm not gonna record it. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna record it, okay? But you will see the final picture after I, you know, trim all the edges. You will see that, but it'll be another video before you see the top coat on these. And so with that being said, I want y'all to really be positive. Say something nice to somebody, okay? It helps. It really do help. Even if you say, how you doing? I'm glad you're doing great. You know, just be nice. Be nice. It doesn't hurt anybody to be nice, okay? It doesn't cost a thing, okay? I know that I'm rambling on and on and on, but truth is, I want everybody to get along, okay? So think positive, be kind, say something nice to somebody, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.